Hey guys!
We're the puzzle couple.
Yep. And we are now back with our next puzzle. These are the puzzles. We just threw our other video up there with us spin the bottle. Although the bottle didn't spin that great.
Didn't spin that great.
No.
But thank you, Casual Puzzler, for the idea.
Yeah.
So we definitely got the idea from her. And if you guys haven't yet, go check out her channel. She is an awesome puzzler.
Yeah.
I love watching her videos. I can't gush enough about her. So definitely check her out.
Yep.
And this is the puzzle that we're going to do for our first one. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is large pieces called Quilt Farm. It's Buffalo is the brand.
Yeah, and these are about the size of the pieces, so they're not huge, but they definitely are bigger than a lot of other puzzles. So it's probably going to make it not too hard of a puzzle, but who knows?
With 300 pieces, we should get this done fairly quickly.
Yeah, sure.
We're trying.
Yeah, I think we are getting better, slowly. But,
slowly.
They give us a couple years and we'll be really good at this. You know?
Yeah, you might see us actually in competitions. I say that a lot, but I don't know.
It might be fun. Yeah.
It might be fun.
Especially after we retire or something. That would be cool to do.
Yeah, definitely. So we are going to do this one next. And definitely subscribe to us and give us a thumbs up.
Yeah, and give us
and leave a comment.
Yeah, leave a comment. We always love comments. We like talking with all you guys and interacting. So
yeah, definitely. And stay tuned to the very end because we will give our thoughts and opinions on these puzzles. It is Buffalo, so I do really like Buffalo.
Yeah, they're usually really good.
Yeah.
They usually go together really well.
Really well.
They stick together really well. The pictures are always amazing.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And this one's really amazing, too. Look how vibrant the image is. So I'm really excited. Here's all my food right here, all the veggies. Is it all just veggies? Yeah, it looks like it's all veggies. Oh, and then they have little duckies.
Fruits and veggies.
Little baby ducks. Isn't this quaint? This is so cool. And I hate to say it, but I am definitely a quilt collector. I love quilts. So can't wait to get this one started. So
yeah. So stay tuned. So let's get it done.
Yeah, let's get it done.
All right, guys. We will talk to you at the end.
Bye. Okay,
Hi guys.
So we're back and we finished the puzzle.
Yep.
Pretty quickly.
Very quickly.
So I wasn't expecting that.
Not as fast as what we did. So
Not with our
For
record.
us, this was really quick. I mean, granted, it was probably one of the easiest puzzles we've ever done, but
Yeah.
it was cool. It was fun.
Mhm.
You know, it was cute with all the animals and the fruits and veggies and the blankets, and so it had some really good colors to it.
Yeah,
So,
I would definitely visit that location if we were anywhere near a place like that.
Well, we probably are. This is California.
Yeah.
So we
That's
probably have
true.
a lot of farms out here that we could visit.
With quilts
That I don't know.
and ducks.
I don't know about them. Or geese or
Geese. Yeah, I think it was
dogs
geese. And puppies.
No, not really
So-
quite sure. But anyhow, yeah, this was cool. It was a little 300 piece, right?
300 pieces.
Yeah.
Buffalo.
Mm-hmm.
And it took us 47 minutes to do this.
Yeah. A record for us.
A big record for us. Yeah.
But it was, again, 300 pieces.
Mhm.
And, so.
Yeah.
We probably shouldn't be so excited as excited as we are about getting it done that quickly, but we are. So.
Yeah, we were high-fiving and so I don't know, we'll have to just keep chugging along and maybe we can impress ourselves.
Yeah, with actually something that's more difficult. Maybe. You never know.
Next up, impossible puzzle. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Well, we will be doing that one of these
Eventually.
days. Yeah. So.
One of these days.
Mhm.
So, yeah, guys. Well, thank you for watching.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe and leave a comment. And we will see you in the next puzzle video.
Bye.
Bye.